What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how I color grade my videos and how I achieve that cinematic look. However, to create this cinematic look it takes a really long time and it's quite complicated. So instead of spending hours on color grading, I made a completely free LUT that is based on my color grading style that you can apply to your videos at any time. In case you aren't familiar with what a LUT is, it's sort of like an Instagram filter for your videos. That way you can get a really cinematic color grade within a matter of seconds. So without further ado, let's get into the color grading. To apply this look to your videos, the first thing you want to do is download the LUT. I've left a link to that in the description below. Now that you have the LUT, open up Premiere Pro. Go down to the color panel, select your clip, open up the Lumix color tab, and go to Creative. Click on Look, Browse, and find the LUT, and it will be applied to your clip. So if your video doesn't look perfect yet, don't freak out. Just tweak around with the basic settings such as temperature, contrast, exposure, highlights, whites, etc. Now you'll slowly start to see that great cinematic look. Another thing to keep in mind is, if the color grade is a little strong, go back to the Creative tab and slide the intensity down a bit. So now you should hopefully have that fantastic cinematic look. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be uploading new tutorials and short films every week, so make sure to subscribe.